We are at gotomath.com working some algebra. Let's go down to absolute value equations and let's look at 4.1. 4.1. Find the solutions to this equation, and of course we'll write the answer in numerical order in the box if you want to check that. Okay, so let's take a second here and write that down. 9x plus 1 is equal to 20. Okay, I got it. All right. So we're wanting to find the solution to the equation. And the equation is we have 9x plus 1 is equal to 20. So we're going to go ahead and drop the absolute value bars and solve for this equation. But we got another equation to deal with, and that is 9x plus 1. Now remember, we dropped the absolute value bars, but then we multiplied this right hand side by -1, so that becomes -20. And now we have two equations that we need to solve for. I think we can do that. So remember, we take this 1 over to the right hand side, it becomes negative. We don't need to go through all the baby steps anymore. So we have 20 minus 1. So now we're left with 9x is equal to 19. And then of course we are going to take this 9 diagonally down. The same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal of 9 to both sides, 1/9 to both sides. But let's kind of skip those steps now. We're all grown up. So one of the solutions is x equal to 19 over 9. So if you were to plug 19 over 9 right here, the 9's would cancel out. You'd have 19 plus 1 is 20, and the absolute value of 20 is 20. So that's one of the solutions. And of course, we'll come over here and work on this one now. We have -20, bring in the 1 over to the right, becomes -1. And so now we have 9x is equal to -21. And of course, just take that 9 diagonally down. -21 divided by 9, and the answer, the question is, will that simplify down, reduce down any? And doesn't look like it. Okay, so that's the smaller number. So remember, in the green checkbox we're going to write our answer like such. Okay, and it doesn't really matter, but that's just for this green checkbox. All right, -21 over 9, 19 over 9. Can we remember that? I don't know. Whoa. Oh, you know what? -7 over 3, 19 over 9. Did I not simplify something down? Yeah. I think I said you can't simplify that down, but now I see it. That's 7 times 3 on top, and this is 3 times 3 on bottom. And of course, 3's cancel out there, and you're left with -7 over 3. Wow. I should have seen that. -7 over 3, remember, and then of course 19 over 9. That didn't simplify down at all, so it's a good thing I caught that. Let's go ahead and check, make sure this works okay. Actually, it better work perfectly, because in math it's all about precision, isn't it, for the most part? Correct. Alright, so there you go. Okay, so we're over here at gotomath.com. You can come on by, practice, and I'll see you later.